Soaring majestic mountains, a pristine lake and stunning natural beauty, Lucerne has all the makings of an exciting holiday destination. But that is not all that Lucerne offers. Add to it a long, eventful history, colorful traditions, and flavorful food, and you have the perfect place to spend your holidays. Welcome to our second city of Switzerland. It is Lucerne. The Lucerne Culture and Congress Center is home to a concert hall and museum. Though it is the hub of all cultural activities happening in Lucerne, the building itself is a wonder of modern architectural design. Another art display worth visiting is just next to the station. Yes, the Rosengart collection, which is a permanent exhibit of paintings by 19th and 20th century masters. You can also enjoy theatre and concert in Lucerne all year long. The Piano Festival is a musical bonanza that brings in piano masters from all over the world. If you want to see some of the world's best bands in action, head to the World Band Festival. On the other end is Lucerne's vivacious nightlife that will keep you entertained during long winter nights. Grab a mug of hot chocolate now. Relax, sit back, and let's tour Lucerne's 5 most exciting destinations. Are you ready to watch? But how do I get there? From Geneva, Bern, Zurich, Interlaken, there are well-connecting trains to reach Lucerne station. So here we are, our first sightseeing. Just across the Lucerne station, see the Chapel Bridge right in front of you. Can you see it? The Chapel Bridge is a covered wooden footbridge spanning the river Rose diagonally in the city of Lucerne in central Switzerland. Named after the nearby St. Peter's Chapel, the bridge is unique in containing a number of interior paintings dating back to the 17th century, although many of them were destroyed along with a larger part of the century's old bridge in the 1993 fire. Have a wonderful walk over the bridge. Have your own pick of souvenirs, and then let's head on to our next sightseeing. Crossing the bridge, stroll through the old towns of Lucerne. Watch the old architecture. The old town is full of charming squares. Explore Kornmarkt, Weinmarkt. These were once medieval markets. The buildings and architecture of the old town reminds you of a historic time. Breads, sausages, cheese, get anything and everything out here. A market never seen before. Fill your water bottle if you would wish to at the huge stone fountain located in the spacious square of Weinmarkt. Quaint cafes and restaurants have outdoor seating so that you can enjoy the view as you dine. Now coming up next, it's an adventure. To add real adventure to your holidays, you must visit Fragmuntec. Take a bus to Crayons and head up on gondola to the Fragmuntec station. Reaching here, free yourself for all these. The rides are here: Summer Toboggan, Pilatus Rope Park, Dragon Glider, and many more. You can spend a full day out here, or you can take a ride to the Pilatus Kulm, means mountain. Further at Mount Pilatus, enjoy the breathtaking view of Alps. On weekends, watch out for the live Alphorn performance. You can spend time arresting the splendid view in your cameras of Mount Pilatus. While returning, you can either ride in the Dragon Ride or take the world's steepest train to Alkmaarstad. However, the Dragon Ride completely depends on the clear weather conditions. Hence, it is advisable to take tickets over the counter. The next day, call it for the day of relaxation. You can visit the Lion Monument. Carved into a former sandstone quarry is a rock relief of a dying lion. The lion represents the Swiss Guard, which was massacred while trying to protect King Louis XVI at the Tuileries Palace on 10th of August 1792 during the French Revolution. You can enjoy the boat ride at Lake Lucerne ahead. Now the most visited museum in Switzerland, the Swiss Museum of Transport, which is a great deal more than just a collection of vehicles. There are trains like Switzerland's first diesel locomotive, 30 aircraft, and the Otto Theatre, an astonishing attraction where a fleet of cars from all eras are stacked 6 high on shelves as if they were toys. Surely now you would want to know what's special to eat at Lucerne? Joints at Old Town are the best to dine. You can try the thin strips of veal with mushrooms in a cream sauce served with rosti. Rosti is a popular potato dish that is eaten all over Switzerland. Italian cuisine is popular in contemporary Switzerland, particularly with pasta and pizza. Tarts and quiches are also traditional Swiss dishes. Eat, have fun, take away memories from Lucerne. Hope you liked this video. Do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell.
For more information like this, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.